And finally, about epilator versus waxing, which is better? In my opinion, epilator is better. There are multiple reasons for it. First of all, cost effective. Once you buy an epilator, you can use it for years. If you buy a good brand, that is, you can use it for years, and waxing can be so much more expensive. Number two is that, like I just said, epilator can be used on really short hair, so you don't actually have to wait for your hair to grow back before you can remove that hair again, which is very good, especially for places like underarms where you definitely cannot afford to have any hair at all. Another reason why I think epilator works better than waxing is because you can use it at home at any time and whenever you require. Like, for example, when you have to go to the parlor, you have to make an appointment first, you have to sit there for 2 hours, 3 hours, God knows. Not only is epilator faster than that because you just like move it through your skin and it's done, but also you don't have to take an appointment. So suddenly, like, at like 9 o'clock at night, your friends call you up and they're like, oh, we are going for a night out, will you be coming? And you're like, okay, I'll come, but I can't wear a short dress. Well, now you don't have to do that because you have an epilator at your home and you can totally remove your hair immediately, and it's like so convenient. Another reason why I prefer epilator to waxing is because you can actually carry this thing around. So, well, as far as I'm concerned, I think epilator has been one of the best beauty discoveries for me, and I'm so glad I discovered this product with you guys and that I can tell you guys about it so that I can encourage you also to try it out. I think it's really good. If you're hesitant in trying an epilator, I think you should not be, because even I was, and now I'm just regretting that why I was hesitant before. So let me know in the comment section below what you think about epilators and if you have ever tried one. If not, will you be willing to try one anytime in future? And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like this video and share this video with your friends on Facebook, Twitter and Google+. Thanks for watching. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.